What if I told you that the biggest thing standing between you and financial freedom isn't your salary, your boss, or even inflation? What if the real obstacle is something you do every single day without realizing it? Most people believe wealth is built through massive opportunities, lucky breaks, or genius-level intelligence. But that's not how wealth is created. In reality, wealth is often the result of small daily decisions repeated over years. And unfortunately, poverty works exactly the same way. Tiny habits, tiny choices, tiny behaviors, repeated day after day until they become your future. The scary part? Many of these habits feel completely normal. They're so common that most people never question them. Today, we're exposing the hidden habits that quietly keep millions of people financially stuck. Some of them may seem harmless. Some may even surprise you. But by the end of this video, you'll understand why certain people continue building wealth while others stay trapped in the same financial cycle year after year. Let's dive in. Habit 1. Spending to feel better. Have you ever had a stressful day and decided to buy something? Maybe it was a new gadget. Maybe a pair of shoes. Maybe takeout food. Maybe something you didn't even need. For a moment, it feels good. The purchase creates excitement. Your mood improves. The stress fades away, but only temporarily. This is called emotional spending, and it's one of the biggest wealth killers in modern America. Companies spend billions of dollars every year studying human psychology. They know exactly how to trigger emotional purchases. That's why advertisements rarely focus on products. They focus on feelings, freedom, status, comfort, happiness, success. They want you to associate buying with feeling better. The problem is that emotional spending creates a dangerous cycle. You feel bad. You buy something. You feel better. Then the feeling disappears. So you buy again, and again, and again. Eventually, your bank account becomes the price you pay for temporary emotional relief. Wealthy people aren't immune to emotions. They simply don't use spending as therapy. Instead, they solve the actual problem causing the emotion. The next time you feel the urge to buy something, ask yourself one question. Am I solving a problem, or am I buying a feeling? That question alone can save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Habit 2. Constantly upgrading your lifestyle. Imagine getting a raise at work. Great news, right? But what happens next? You move into a bigger apartment. Upgrade your car. Buy more expensive clothes. Increase your monthly subscriptions. Start dining out more often. Within a few months, your income is higher, but your savings remain exactly the same. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the most common reasons people never become wealthy. Most people think earning more money automatically creates wealth. It doesn't. What matters is the gap between what you earn and what you spend. A person earning $70,000 and saving 25% of their income may build wealth faster than someone earning $150,000 and spending everything they make. Every time your income rises, you face a choice. Increase your lifestyle, or increase your future. Most people choose lifestyle. Successful wealth builders often choose future, because they understand a simple truth. Money invested today can work for decades. Money spent today disappears immediately. The wealthiest people aren't always the highest earners. They're often the people who resisted the urge to constantly upgrade everything around them. Habit 3. Confusing entertainment with productivity. Modern technology has created a strange illusion. You can spend hours watching business videos, listening to podcasts, reading success quotes, following finance influencers, and still make zero progress. Because consuming information feels productive. But consuming and doing are completely different things. Many people become addicted to learning, not because learning is bad, but because learning feels safer than action. Action creates risk. Action creates uncertainty. Action creates the possibility of failure. Watching another motivational video doesn't. So people stay in learning mode forever. They know hundreds of strategies, but never implement any of them. Knowledge without action is entertainment. Execution creates results. The next time you finish watching a financial video, ask yourself, What action will I take in the next 24 hours? If the answer is nothing, you're probably consuming content instead of creating change. Habit 4. Surrounding yourself with financial negativity. Your environment matters more than most people realize. Think about the conversations happening around you. Are people discussing opportunities? Or excuses? Solutions? Or complaints? Growth? Or limitations? If everyone around you constantly says, "Rich people are lucky. Investing is gambling. You'll never get ahead. That's impossible." Eventually, those beliefs become your beliefs. Human beings naturally adopt the standards of their environment. That's why your circle can either accelerate your growth or quietly destroy it. Successful people aren't successful because they avoid challenges. They're successful because they spend time around people who encourage solutions instead of excuses. You don't have to cut everyone out of your life, but you do need to protect your mindset, because the voices you hear repeatedly eventually become the voice inside your own head. Habit 5. Trading time for money forever. Most people are taught a simple formula. Work more, earn more, work even more, earn even more. At first, it sounds logical, but there's a hidden problem. You only have 24 hours in a day, which means your income has a natural ceiling if it's tied directly to your time. Think about it. If you stop working, does your income stop too? For millions of people, the answer is yes. And that's exactly why they stay financially stuck. The wealthy understand something different. They don't just work for money, they build assets. Assets that continue producing value even when they're not actively working. A business, investments, digital products, real estate, intellectual property. The average person focuses on earning. The wealthy focus on ownership. This doesn't mean you need to quit your job tomorrow. It means you should start asking a different question. How can I build something that works even when I'm not? That question can completely change your financial future. Habit 6. Ignoring small leaks. Imagine someone hands you a bucket and asks you to fill it with water. You work hard. You pour water into it every day. But there's one problem. The bucket has tiny holes. The water keeps leaking out. No matter how much you add, it never stays full. That's exactly how many people manage money. They focus on earning more while ignoring the leaks. Unused subscriptions, impulse purchases, late fees, convenience spending, interest payments, delivery fees, random online purchases. Individually, these expenses seem harmless, but combined over years, they can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Financial success isn't only about making more. It's also about keeping more. Many people spend years searching for a higher income while completely ignoring the financial leaks draining their current one. Sometimes the fastest way to improve your finances isn't earning more money. It's stopping money from escaping. Habit 7. Waiting for the perfect moment. One of the most expensive habits in the world is waiting. Waiting until you feel ready. Waiting until conditions are perfect. Waiting until you know everything. Waiting until next month. Waiting until next year. Here's the truth nobody likes to hear. The perfect moment doesn't exist. Successful people rarely feel fully prepared. They simply start before they feel ready. Most people think confidence creates action. In reality, action creates confidence. Think about learning to swim. You don't become confident first and then enter the water. You enter the water and slowly become confident. The same principle applies to money. Investing, starting a business, learning new skills, building a side income, taking calculated risks. Confidence comes after movement, not before it. Every year spent waiting is a year your goals remain exactly where they are. And time is the one resource you'll never get back. Habit 8. Choosing comfort over growth. Human beings naturally seek comfort. It's part of our biology. But comfort has a hidden cost. Nothing grows inside a comfort zone. Think about every major improvement you've made in life. Learning a new skill, getting a promotion, starting a project, speaking in public, moving somewhere new. At first, all of those things felt uncomfortable. Growth and discomfort are partners. You rarely get one without the other. The problem is that modern life offers unlimited comfort. unlimited entertainment, unlimited distractions, unlimited excuses, and many people become trapped inside a cycle of convenience. They choose short-term comfort repeatedly, then wonder why long-term growth never arrives. The people who create extraordinary results aren't necessarily smarter. They simply become comfortable being uncomfortable. They understand that temporary discomfort often creates permanent rewards. Habit 9. Believing you have more time than you do. This may be the most dangerous habit of all. Most people live as if they have unlimited time. They act like they'll start next year, save next year, invest next year, build next year, improve next year. But life doesn't work that way. Every day is either an investment or an expense. And unlike money, time can never be replaced. Many people underestimate how powerful a single year can be. 1 year of consistent investing, 1 year of learning, 1 year of focused effort, 1 year of building, 1 year of discipline can completely alter the direction of your life. Yet many people waste years waiting for motivation to arrive. The clock keeps moving whether you're ready or not. The question is, will your future self thank you for today's choices or regret them? Habit 10. Undervaluing yourself. Here's something most people never realize. Your income often reflects the value you believe you can create. People spend years wishing for better opportunities, but never invest in becoming more valuable. They stop learning, stop growing, stop improving, and then wonder why life stays the same. The marketplace rewards value. The more problems you can solve, the more opportunities tend to appear. Every skill you develop becomes an asset. Communication, sales, leadership, technology, marketing, negotiation, financial literacy. These skills can generate returns for decades. The biggest investment isn't always in stocks. Sometimes it's in yourself. Because when you become more valuable, opportunities begin finding you. And unlike material possessions, knowledge can never be taken away from you. The big realization. Now here's what most people miss. None of these habits destroy your future overnight. That's what makes them dangerous. They work slowly, quietly, almost invisibly. One unnecessary purchase, one wasted evening, one delayed decision, one missed opportunity, one excuse, one distraction, then another, and another, and another, until years pass, and life looks exactly the same. But the opposite is also true. One better decision, one smarter habit, one productive hour, one investment, one skill learned, one opportunity taken, repeated consistently, can completely transform your future. Success rarely arrives through one massive breakthrough. It usually arrives through thousands of small decisions made correctly over time. The future you're creating isn't determined by what you do once. It's determined by what you do repeatedly. And that's empowering, because it means change doesn't require perfection. It requires consistency. Final transformation. Take a moment and imagine yourself 5 years from now. Not the version of you that's hoping things get better. Not the version waiting for the perfect opportunity. The version created by your daily habits. What does that person look like? What kind of financial situation are they living in? What opportunities do they have? What freedoms have they earned? Now ask yourself something even more important. Are your current habits creating that future? Or are they quietly taking you in the opposite direction? Because whether you realize it or not, you're already building your future right now. Every decision matters. Every habit leaves a mark. Every day casts a vote for the person you're becoming. Most people spend years searching for a secret, a shortcut, a hidden formula, a lucky break. But the truth is surprisingly simple. Your future is hiding inside your daily routine. The habits you repeat today become the reality you live tomorrow. If you keep repeating the same actions, you'll keep producing the same results. Nothing changes until your habits change. Nothing improves until your standards improve. Nothing grows until you grow. And here's the good news. You don't need to transform your entire life overnight. You don't need perfect discipline. You don't need endless motivation. You just need one decision, one better habit, one small improvement, then another, And another, because small actions compound. Just like interest, just like investments, just like wealth itself. Most people underestimate what they can accomplish in 5 years, because they're too focused on what they can accomplish in 5 days. Real success isn't built in dramatic moments. It's built in ordinary moments repeated consistently. The morning you choose learning over scrolling. The evening you choose investing over impulse spending. The day you choose action over excuses. Those moments seem small, but they are the moments that shape your future. And one day, years from now, you'll either be grateful that you started or wish you had. The choice belongs to you. It always has. If this video made you stop and think about the habits shaping your future, then you're already ahead of most people. Because awareness is where every transformation begins. The truth is, wealth isn't built by luck. It's built by better decisions repeated over time. And that's exactly what we're focused on here. At Wealth Hike, we're building a community of people who refuse to settle for average and are committed to growing their mindset, income, and future. So if you're serious about becoming financially stronger, mentally sharper, and creating a life with more freedom, make sure you subscribe and join us on this journey. Because every week, we're sharing powerful insights designed to help you climb higher, think bigger, and move closer to the life you deserve. And remember, your future isn't created someday. It's being created today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.